Hello, SOC families. I am Nikki Tripp, Mrs. Tripp. I'm in room 608 here at SOC. I just wanted to welcome you back to another great year. I'm very excited to meet all of my new incoming 8th graders and my advisory students. I hope we have a wonderful year together. I really love teaching middle school. I think that middle schoolers are just some of the coolest beings on the planet. They are so inquisitive and curious and fun. Everything is just fun, or they're bored by everything. But I love the personalities of middle schoolers. So I hope you all feel welcome in my classroom. I can't wait to learn from you. I can't wait to enjoy time with you and hear about your lives, your fishing adventures, and your basketball games, and your dance routines, your books that you're reading. All of it is interesting to me. I think it's a great time to be alive. In terms of social studies, I teach global studies to 8th graders, and I love the curriculum. I think that it is so important that we help these kids to see themselves as citizens of the planet, citizens of the world. They have so much to offer. They are the future of the world, and they have so many bright ideas. I can't wait to hear from them, their passions, their ideas, help them to develop their voices, love to hear the different perspectives. I think it is a challenging class, but I think that our kids are able to rise to the occasion. And I think that it's really great that we have social studies here at a STEM school. STEM-wise, we do a lot of inquiry where the kids are expected to think for themselves, expected to find a variety of sources, to challenge their thinking, to challenge the thinkings that they're seeing, the perspectives of others, and then to also listen and to hear different perspectives and to open their minds to new ideas and concepts that maybe they hadn't experienced before. So I also think that the STEM curriculum is great here at SOC in social studies in that we do a lot of project-based learning. We do a lot of research. We have a lot of cross-curricular activities where they are reading and doing some deep thinking and inquiry, very much ingrained in what we do, a lot of collaboration and group work, and hopefully we can have a lot of fun on the way as well. I think it's going to be an awesome year, and I can't wait to meet all of you on the first day. Thank you.